morning everyone, myself Adrich, and in this video I am going to discuss about my project on quantum blockchain using Theta protocol. So this will be a sort of will be a set of many videos. So in this first video I am going to discuss the introduction part. So first of all I would start what is a blockchain. So blockchain is a chain of blocks that contains information, or you can say that a sort of classical database that consists of data of the past. It means that a blockchain means consider these blocks which are having information or data and which are having data, and these are linked with some protocols which is known as the chains. So basically this type of technology is used in the digital transaction system, or in some security, to convey any security messages. This is the most secure, most up to time, this is the most secure technology for transferring any data, or having any money transaction, financial transactions. So this idea was first conceptualized by a person named Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. So he used this idea to create a cryptocurrency named Bitcoin. Yes, this is the same person who had given the idea of Bitcoin, which is used worldwide as a secure financial transaction system, or this is a cryptocurrency. So in this modern world, so the concept of blockchain or the technology of blockchain is what the world is using as the securest one. Securest one means when I say that it is the most securest one, it means that a classical computer a classical computer can never create any danger to this blockchain security system. But what if in the future? Future is what about quantum computers. So when till now we saw the many algorithms or many programs using quantum computers which can affect a large number of systems. Like quantum computers can easily hack or can tamper with the security of classical blockchain. It's not a big deal for a quantum computer to create a disturbance in the blockchain, or to steal the information from the blockchain, what we use as a secure system in this modern world. So what is the solution for this problem in the near future is that by using quantum computer we can create a blockchain which is known as quantum blockchain. So in quantum blockchain, this idea of quantum blockchain was first proposed by Rajan and Wheeler in 2019 by using entanglement in time. So by using entanglement in time, they created a quantum blockchain, and by considering this concept of quantum blockchain, we created the quantum blockchain using theta protocol. Yes, the theta protocol is what we use to create our quantum blockchain, and we did it in IBM quantum experience, where we simulated the whole quantum blockchain using theta protocol, and also in addition we did the possible types of attacks. So this is what we used in our paper, the theta protocol, and using this we created a conceptual design of quantum blockchain and simulated this in IBM quantum experience. Also we performed the various types of attack that can be attacked on the blockchain or quantum blockchain. What we created, the possible types of attacks, which are C0 attack and CZ attack. And how this attacks will be performed, and how these attacks can be detected by a circuit which we designed in the IBM QX. And we basically did what in this paper is given the idea of quantum blockchain using theta protocol and the possible types of attacks such as C0 and CZ, and how to detect these attacks using the same gates what we use in IBM quantum experience. So we will be describing this in our next lectures. Thank you.